Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for managing your money in 2025. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to create a Cash App card. If you're new to Cash App or just upgrading for the new year, this step-by-step guide will get you set up quickly and securely. Why bother? Well, a Cash App card lets you make payments, withdraw cash, and even earn rewards effortlessly, perfect for our fast-paced world. First off, grab your smartphone and head to your App Store. Search for Cash App and download the latest version. It's free and essential for 2025's enhanced features. Once installed, open the app and sign in. If you're a newcomer, tap Sign Up and enter your email, phone number, and create a strong password to keep things secure. Next, verify your identity. It's a quick process to ensure everything's legit. You'll need to link a bank account or debit card and might upload a photo ID. Don't worry, it's all encrypted for your protection. Now, dive into the app's main menu and find the Cash Card section. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option to order a new card. Fill in the details like your name, shipping address, and any customization preferences, such as adding a fun design. There might be a small fee, usually around $5, so check that before confirming. Hit Submit, and you're on your way. Your card will typically arrive in 3 to 5 business days. Once it shows up, open the app again to activate it. Scan the card or enter the code provided, and boom! You're ready to use it for everyday purchases, ATM withdrawals, or even international transactions in 2025's global economy. Remember, always keep an eye on your app for updates and security tips to stay ahead. There you have it. That's how easy it is to create your Cash App card in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay smart and stay connected.